interjection of Senator Robin Padilla earlier, could that have been construed? Could that have been a violation of Rule 18?
Robin Padilla has been constantly violating the rules.
Mhm.
In fact, today, I don't know, he was so way out of line for me several times.
Mhm.
Sometimes I don't know whether it's tragic or comic.
Mhm.
It's turning to becoming a theater of the absurd
Mhm.
in terms of comparing the aliases of the revolutionaries to the aliases of the confidential fund.
Mhm.
It's almost like comparing the two when these are apples and oranges.
Mhm.
Ano naman yung isa alias to because they're in a revolution.
Yes.
Now it's an alias to get away from
Mhm.
accountability.
Mhm.
That is something that needs to be established fairly. And
Mhm.
this is something that I cannot understand why things like this that are blatantly violations of the ethical standard should, Jesus Cudero said that we need to make the process respectable and credible.
Mhm.
And if there are people are really making and turning this process
Mhm.
into something that is not respectable, it will
Mhm.
be some of the senators.
Mhm.
And so I think he should be more his he should be he should be stricter
Mhm.
on his colleagues. Like pwede naman niya sabihin na out of order yung isa that you're
Mhm.
going beyond the limit. Bakit kailan pang may magsampan ng ethics complaint sa kanila?
Mhm.
Bakit hindi pwedeng right and then rule out mo order ang isang
Mhm.
colleague?
Mhm. Well, he said the guidelines will still be fleshed out, but he could have called out Senator Padilla earlier.
Actually, to be fair, it's not naman Senator Padilla din eh. Other
Mhm.
senators are also using foul language
Mhm.
like stupid.
Mhm.
Why is it that when it is a council who say something like a scam,
Mhm.
you know,
Mhm.
mapapagalitan agad. Pero pag senador ang magsasabi ng ganon, o
Mhm.
stupid, o nagtatanga-tangahan, and it's not just
Mhm.
Robin Padilla, others are also
Mhm.
saying this,
Mhm.
bakit hindi, imagine they're saying that right after Jesus Cudero issued a ruling, di ba?
Right.